afternoon mga ka-wardrobe. Yes, 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 it's me again. Yes, we are here in States. We are here to do your shopping, and I am Wardrobe, which is your online shopper, your online personal shopper. Okay, I am here right now to collect one of the best-selling bag of Michael Kors, okay? So, marami nagsasabi sa inyo dapat nag-YouTube daw ako dahil ang daming items na pwede kong i-flex. So, at least yung iba ang magkaroon na idea how this looks. Okay, this is what we call men's body bag or crossbody bag, okay? Napakaganda po nito. Ayan. Okay, just to let you know, ang regular price po nito is, ayan, hindi po natin tinatago yan. At ibibigay ko to sa ating customer with this tag price, okay? Because tayo ay one of the online seller, and Michael Kors value their customers, which is Wardrobe is one of them. So, they give us a discount, of course. So, pinapakita namin sa inyo na pag Michael Kors are very good, you know, talagang sulit na and good quality. So, i-flex ko sa inyo itong isa. Okay, this is the black one. Okay, crossbody bag for men. For men, this is for men, okay? Ganyan po siya kalaki, which is I can say what? 5, 6, 7, 8 inches height. And that probably 6, 5 inches yung kanyang length, and then yung dito niya is 3 inches wide yung kanyang sa side, okay? 3 inches or 2.5 inches, okay? So, ganyan lang siya. So, ito yung kanyang outside. There's an open package over here, black hardware, silver hardware for the zipper. The zipper is too smooth. Sorry, not silver. It's a black hardware, okay? So on the side is the same. So when you open this, guys, from outside pa lang, pag nakita nyo yung item, mamamangha na kayo sa sobrang ganda. Okay, kaya ang bilis nitong ma-sold out, especially yung mga original colors niya. So, yan. Ito siya. Sa side, plain black only. But you can see, this is 100% leather. At yung kanyang strap,